Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this classic smoked southern ham salad. And this ham we cold smoked. Did you hear me? Cold smoked. If you want to know about that cold smoke, put me a comment down there and I'll tell you how we did that. This ham salad recipe is so delicious and so simple to put together. This recipe comes by request from one of our subscribers. So here you go. You got that ham salad recipe. Hang out with me and I'll show you how to put this together. And again, that cold smoke, okay? I know you want to know about that cold smoke. Put me a comment in the bottom. Give me a thumbs up. Hit notifications so that you get all of our videos when they post, and hit that subscribe button. Let me show you what you'll need for this ham salad and how to throw it together. To start this classic smoked southern ham salad, you are going to need to take your ham and put it in a processor. We'll be using about 2.5 cups. The ham we smoked and we cold smoked this. If you're interested in knowing how we did that, just put a comment down in put us a comment down there. I'm a mess, okay? Now that we have our ham chopped up, and if you want to look here, I did not do a pate with this. I like it a little bit larger than a pate, but you can do yours the way that you like it. We are going to start adding some toppings. So we have here dill pickle, and we've got like 3 tablespoons here, and I also have some pickle juice in the bottom. That pickle juice will really help to ramp up those flavors. We're going to also add some sweet pickle relish. I only have about 1.5 tablespoons. I know that people out there, I know that some of you like it with sweet, some of you like it with dill, and I like mine with both. I like more dill, though, than the sweet. We will also add 1 stalk of celery that I have cut up super fine, and that's probably 3 tablespoons. It's 1/4 of a red onion. And let's see, what else do we have? We got an egg. Actually, we have 2 boiled eggs, okay? We'll add this to the mix. I got some bigger chunks in there. I'll get those cut up right quick. We have about 2 tablespoons of parsley. Folks, if you want to put your vegetables in with your ham when you're chopping it, you can do that too. I like my chunks a little bit larger so that I get that crunch whenever I'm eating the ham salad. So now for the dressing. We will be using mayonnaise. We're using Duke's because there's no other mayonnaise in the South. And we are using Dijon mustard. So we're going to whip this together and then we're going to put it in the ham salad and stir it up. This is a very easy recipe. It is excellent for leftover ham that you're going to have because we got the holidays coming up. You can use it for sandwiches, for dips, talking about the ham salad. So it's just an excellent recipe that you will want to have on hand. We have this all stirred up. We're going to add this to our bowl. We want every bit of that goodness in there. And then we've got some black pepper. And you can add pepper and salt to your liking. We like a lot of pepper. So now we'll mix this up. I have this all stirred up. You'll notice at the beginning, I bet a lot of you thought I didn't have enough mayonnaise. This come together great. I do not like a goopy salad. If you want yours with more mayonnaise, by all means add it, okay? If you'll hang out with me just a second, I'm going to grab some bread and some crackers, and I'm going to show you how we serve this. So this turned out delicious. I wish you guys could taste this, but you can serve this on a sandwich. You can serve it with crackers. You can serve it with vegetables, even. So, this is a very versatile ham salad. And I'm going to try it for you because, nothing gets out of the kitchen unless the cook tastes it first. So, I think I'll try it on a cracker. I'm just going to put the whole thing in my mouth. That took me to Flavor Town. Got to have something to wash it down with. And of course, we've got to have our Southern sweet tea. Folks, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. Also, hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes when they post, and hit that subscribe button. Again, don't forget that this is cold smoke, and you can cold smoke ham. Our cold smoked cheese is absolutely delicious. But put me a comment, I'll share that with you. And until next time, stay safe.